Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Vincent. So I'm here this afternoon once again to teach you some areas in longitude and latitude. In longitude and latitude, we have this question. Show that the points 20° north, 20° east, and 60° north, and 160° west lie on the same great circle. Then find their great circle distance apart. To solve this question, the first thing we need to do is to draw a diagram, to sketch the diagram. In the diagram, we have the point 20° north, 20° north, 20° north, and 20° east, 20° east. So that's the first point. Point A, we assume the first point here is point A, and the second point here is point B. At the same time, we have on point B, we have 60° north. 60° north goes to the right hand side here, goes to the upper part of 20° north, and it is 60° north. And at the same time, it has 160° west. So 160° west goes to this area. This is 160° west, and the point here is point B. Now, to show that these two points lie on the same great circle, we know that a great circle is a line of longitude, the point that lies on the line of longitude. So this line here is still part of the line of latitude of 60° north. So this movement from this place to this place here is the line of longitude that combines points A and point B. So the first thing that is shown now is that since this point A lies here and point B lies here, the distance apart that we are talking about now is from this movement to this movement, and they both lie on the same great circle. Now, to find that distance apart, we need distance apart, which is distance AB is calculated by formula theta over 360° times 2 by r, where this r is always 6,400 kilometers, radius of the earth. So we take our pi as 22/7. Now the theta we use here will be different from other type of theta we have been using. So what we do here is that the point here will be, theta will be 180° minus 60° north and 20° north, and that gives us 180° minus 80°, and that gives 100°. Therefore, distance AB now is 100° all over 360° times 2 times 22/7 times 6,400. Now, when we continue this, we will see that we have 100 times 2 times 22 times 6,400, everything all over 360 times 7, and that gives something around 11,101 kilometers. So the reason for having this theta like this is this. From the part of latitude here, when we join this place, the angle that we will have in between them, since the 2 points have different lines of longitudes, and at the same time, when we had the 2 lines of longitude, we have 180°. So that the angle that lies between them will now be the angle that we get when we had 20 degree north for the point A and 60 degree north for point B. When we add this together and we subtract from the sum of their longitudinal lines, so we have the theta that will be theta in between the two angles. Thank you very much, and happy for staying tuned. Thank you.